So the idea is this is a password manager, and user can decide to use just a local vault in the application or to synchronize the vault with Google Drive. So user can choose the account of Google Drive. For example, I'm going to choose this one. Accept the permissions. Then it's searching now for if it exists any backup of the vault in the Google Drive, which already exists one. I'm going to just choose a new one. Vault personal. Personal. Okay. Choose a color, for example, yellow. Next, a password, and then continue. And this is going to create a file structure in local device, which is going to be synchronized with the Google Drive, and all the credentials, documents, logins that the user introduces in the application are going to be encrypted locally to a file structure proprietary from CleverPass in the device SD card, and this file structure is going to be synchronized in real time with Google Drive. For example, I'm going to choose a login with name hello or Tesla. Sorry, I'm going to put something real. Tesla, username hello at tesla.com. Okay, web password doesn't matter, whatever, and the website tesla.com. This is a login, for example. We save it, and this is the credential file. And if I go to vaults, I can see the vault of the user. I can force a synchronization, which is gonna force the upload of documents to the Google Drive, and I can see the information of the vault, which is vault personal, information of which account is used to synchronize, the last token. If the session is valid, the user can close it if he doesn't want to synchronize anymore, and information of the application. You can remove the vault or whatever other user experience by default, normal. And if I go, for example, this just to show, this is the vault with ID 736. Okay, I'm gonna go to Drive. I'm gonna change the account to this account, to CleverPass tests. Okay, my files. It has been created at CleverPass data, and you see this vault 7364. This is the vault we have just created. It appears a file structure proprietary from CleverPass with information. If I go to documents, for example, I can see the credential document, which is encrypted, but here is stored all the information of, one second, of this credential, which is the one which appears there. And user can have multiple devices, Android, like a tablet, 2 devices, phone, for example, and if he wants, he can have Apple devices, and you can synchronize everything with its own private cloud with Google Drive. This would be the use, and this is why we need the scopes. Whatever question regarding this issue or any other, please let us know to clarify. Thank you very much.